Sarah. She's driving the car. She's on her way to work. Now answer my questions. Is she driving now at the time of speaking? Is this action finished? So it is called tense. Now fill in the blanks. Now I'm calling another friend, Lily.
Hello, it's Lily.
Hey, what are you doing, Lily?
I'm reading a really good book at the moment.
Now answer my questions. Lily says I'm reading, but is she reading at the time of speaking? Has she finished reading? So, in this kind of situation, do we use present continuous? Here are some examples. Now, choose time expression that you can use with present continuous. The correct answer are these time expression about period around now or far away? Good. Now I'm calling my student Lucy.
Hello?
Hey Lucy, is your English getting better?
Yes, significantly it's because of you.
Now answer my questions. Was Lucy's English good? Is her English good now? Is her English getting better? Is it change that has started to happen? So, do we use present simple or present continuous for that? Great, here are some more examples. Now do the following exercises. Don't worry, we'll compare answers for each exercise. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. See you. Bye!